Welcome everyone. In today's video, I'm going to do a quick overview of Sunny Aggregator. Sunny Aggregator is Solana's Yearn Finance. So you can come here, you can deposit your LP tokens from Saber, and then you can earn a yield upon those LP tokens. So if you deposited your Saber USDT USDC LP pair, you can get 129% APY, and that's a 9% APY in Saber tokens and 110% APY from Sunny tokens. So the liquidity mining program for Sunny has been going on about a week or so. I should have come to you guys earlier about it, but I was focused on different things. But there's still great opportunity here with Sunny Aggregator. So what do the tokens do? Well, Sunny is the governance token of Sunny Aggregator. So essentially allows you to enter the DAO, make decisions that affect the future of the protocol. So if you're familiar with Yearn Finance, it will have a similar function to that, where you'll be able to vote on different things that happen, changing fee structures, different strategies, and so on and so forth. But currently, right now, you only have access to Saber LP tokens, which is cool because Saber, I think, is like the second largest TVL project on Solana and definitely the dominant stable swap platform. So a lot of people will have Saber LP tokens, and you can see here the TVL is 250 million, which I think has got to put it up there in the top 5 for TVL here on the Solana DeFi ecosystem. So these yields are pretty good. We have 129% APY on stablecoins, 82% on Sol tokens, 252% on Bitcoin, 222% on FTT, and then we have MyUSD. That's another stablecoin, and then we have different Bitcoin LP here where you can get 180%. So what I'm going to do for today's tutorial and like quick overview, I'm going to show you how to get started with Sunny Aggregator. But first of all, I need to get some LP tokens. So I've logged into Saber, and I'm going to use FTT for this because I have a bunch. And the yield looks pretty good, like 200% plus. So yeah, I'm up for that. So I'm going to deposit, let's just do 7 FTT. So I'm only going to do a small amount for now. I can see that everyone else has basically aped into this, but I'm always cautious when I see a new like farm come up, or like a new DeFi protocol. I'll need this to be up for a while before I really start, aping into it. But that's where most of the gains are made, if you you ape into a farm immediately. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put 7 FTT into the wrapped FTT pool on Saber. So I'm going to deposit, and I'm going to get some LP tokens. I'm going to approve this transaction. There we go, 6.985 unstaked LP tokens. Great. And then what I'm going to do with them, I'm going to go to Sunny Aggregator, connect my wallet. Cool, alright, I'm in. I'm going to scroll all the way down here. Oh look, it sees that I have LP tokens already. And then enter amount to deposit all of them. So we can see here, these are the fees that you will get charged by using Sunny. So there is 16% performance fee. So this is similar to what you have with Yearn. Okay, cool. So we can see here it says deposit Saber, wrapped FTT, FTT LP into Sunny to start earning yield. The deposit and staking all happens in one transaction. You can earn both Saber and Sunny for depositing this LP token. Currently 213% APY, and most of that is going to be in Sunny tokens. So you press deposit, approve transaction, and you see 5. Approve. And there we go. I've entered the pool. I've put in $432 worth of FTT, and then when I get rewards, they're going to show up here, and you can see they've immediately started ticking up. So I'll get 116 Sunny a day and then 0.39 Saber a day. So you can see how much Sunny is worth up here at the top. So each Sunny token is worth 0.01 cents. And I imagine if I click on here, it will take me to Aldrin Dex. So this is one of the dexes where you can actually find a Sunny to trade. I've also found Sunny to be on Bonfida as well. You can see here that the price hasn't performed too well recently, and I think that's just got to be because people are relentlessly dumping this token just to realize the yield. But if you feel more comfortable with Bonfida, I'll leave a link below so you can use it here. So just for this tutorial, I'm going to claim some rewards, approve it, and these numbers should tick down to 0 again. Yeah, there we go. And they've just gone right back up. Excellent. Okay, so that's gone all into my wallet. I'll probably end up selling a lot of these tokens just to realize that yield. I'm not too confident where the price of Sunny will go in like sort of the long term. It could either relentlessly dump like you saw with DeFi tokens last year with like Curve Finance, or it could just go to the moon like Yearn Finance did last year, like Saber did as well. I remember when that token was first released, it was less than a cent, and like 2 weeks later it was 30 cents. So anyone who held on to their tokens instead of selling it immediately did really well there. But yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to try out Sunny Aggregator, form an opinion of your own, but always make sure to do your own research before you ape into any DeFi protocols.